I actually want to caution against using the word romance. To me, romance can signify a lot of passion, chaos, instability, like we see in the movies. But this isn't always healthy. Romance can be part of a relationship, but we should make sure that it's not the definitive part. To me, the 3 great characteristics of a relationship are: first, healthy communication. Are you able to express your needs, desires, and issues without a great deal of conflict? And is the other person open to hearing it? Number 2 is equality. Do you feel like an equal to your partner? Are you both putting in equal effort? And finally, number 3 is trust. Do you feel your partner's loyal? Are you loyal to your partner? Do you ultimately have a safe relationship?